Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video we're going to be switching things up, okay? Yes, so in the spirit of Christmas and in the spirit of Vlogmas, I decided to do something, okay? So guys, I actually went for my Christmas shopping. Yeah, I went for my Christmas shopping, okay? And why not we try on all the things I got? Okay, so today we're gonna be having a try on haul. Okay, I'm gonna be testing all the things I bought. I will probably be dropping the prices. Okay, I might not remember all the prices, but the ones I remember, I will definitely attach it to the video. Okay, so meanwhile, phew, these are all I got. Okay, these two big bags. All right, so I cannot keep this to myself. All right, I'm gonna be sharing this with you all. So let's go there. If this is your first time of tuning into this channel, over here on this channel, we'll talk about how to grow your YouTube channel, self-development, and random vlogs here and there, okay? Do well to hit the like button and subscribe to join the family because you will love it here, okay? Now, the very first cloth we'll be testing out is this two-piece, okay? This two-piece. That will be the first one we'll be checking out. I'll be trying it on. You will see it very soon. I got it for 11.5, the two. Yep. Okay. Now let's wait and see, okay? The second cloth we'll be trying on is another two-piece, okay? This particular two-piece. I'm going to be trying the two right now as well. I got the two for, I think 11.5 as well too. Yep, so let's test it. The next cloth we'll be trying is this jumpsuit, okay? Those jumpsuits, yeah. We're gonna be testing this and see how it looks on us, okay? So let's have it. The next will be this gown, this pink gown that I got, okay? Yes. So let's test and see. The next one will be this luxury black gown. We're gonna be trying it out anyway. So next is this jumpsuit as well, okay? this jumpsuit. We're gonna be trying it out right now. The next one is this gown. Okay, we're gonna be trying it out and see. Okay, yep. The next gown we'll be trying out is this gown. Okay, we're gonna be trying it out and see. The next cloth we'll be trying out is this two-piece as well. I got a whole lot of two-piece. Yep. The next will be these leggings and this top. Okay. The next we'll be trying out is this joggers and the top. Okay, the joggers and the top. All right, so let's try it and see. So guys, the next cloth we'll be trying out is this luxury gown. I'm gonna be trying it on now so that we can see. The next one is this joggers and the top. Okay, the joggers and the top. So let's try it out and see. The clothes are quite many. There are a lot. I just hope I don't get tired. Next is also a joggers, those red joggers and the top. Okay, so we're trying on right now. The next cloth we'll be trying on is this joggers as well with the top as well. Okay, yeah, let's try it and see. The next one we'll be trying is this jean. I got just one jean, okay, because I have lots of jean already, jean trousers. Okay, and this top. Okay, so let's try it and see. next one is this gown. It's a wrap gown. You wrap it. It's a wrapping gown. So I'm going to be trying it now. Let's see. Finally, we'll be trying on this trouser and this crop top. Okay, yes, this trouser and the crop top. So let's try it and see. It's not easy to do try on. Oh, hi. You. It's a wrap, guys. It's a wrap. Thank you for sticking with me till this moment. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys in my next video. Bye.